we are at Berkeley, and the venue's still not open. We're still waiting. And today I brought something special. Here we are. Today we're competing with the yellow hoodie instead of the blue one. We're heading to Stevens for 4 and 5 blind. It's still 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm kind of tired. And we're waiting for a turn right now. It's still kind of not clear how cumulative time limit works, but I made someone.
Here is the best event.
We just finished blue blind. I'm actually pretty surprised how well I did. I got 2 4 blind successes and ZNF 2 5 blind, but it's fine. I never got a success at home. And now we're on to 3.
I'm ready. Thomas, Lucas, where?
It's a really bad idea to do your 3x3 run as first solves of the day. I got a 10 first try because X cross, and second try is completely trash. It's 12.1, but we still have 3 more solves to go. Hopefully I get a 10 average. I've been averaging 10 at home these days, and yeah, I really hope to get it in comp.
I'm ready. 8 seconds. Oh, what? Okay. 10.05. What happened?
I messed up cross.
Oh, okay. Still a good solo.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Tommy Cherry is right next to me. Let's go. I got 2 more 10s.
6x6 and 7x7 group 1 and 2x2 group 1.
I got
That's 2x2 group 1.
I got 2 more 10s, and this is very likely to be a 10 average unless I get a 19 or something.
8 seconds.
We're running because they are 2x2 round in the group 1 are going on at the same time with my 3x3 round, and so yeah, we need to hurry.
We need one more judge on the right stage, please. One more judge on the right stage.
12 seconds.
Oh dude. First solve is a literal 6. I'm so nervous now. I can't mess up any of the rest solves. I can't. I just can't.
Group 1, please bring up your cues.
This is an all skip, and I always mess up all skips, so I got a low 3. Not exactly what I wanted, but sure, we'll take it. I just discovered I finished 2nd place in 4 blinds. I actually podiumed. Let's go. It's kind of sad that I didn't get 1st place, but whatever. Okay. I'm actually so mad. I got a 6, I got a 5, I got a 4, and 2 by 2. I averaged 2. Let's go.
I'm ready. I don't know, you got 50 views.
The average is as trash as possible. I got like 1, 3, and the rest is just 4, 5, 6. I can't believe it.
Hey, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Alright, this is Panda. This is Justin. They're gonna be best friends forever. On God, no cap, for real, bro.
We act like he just said on God, no cap, for real, for real. We act like you said that.
No,
It's not
we
2020.
didn't say that.
It's not 2020.
No, I know we did.
That was not budget.
I didn't.
Abba did it. Abba did it.
You hear me?
We are taking this guy to the 3-blind round. Okay, so barely sub 1 single. I'm not really happy with that. That's kind of above average, but it's comp. What do I expect? Hopefully that gets me into final, so I get 3 more attempts.
I'll call it again. Shoot. Oh, actually. Shoot! Oh god, I can't tell.
I think that's like actually just
Yeah,
on it. Yeah, no, I think that's good.
Alright.
Nice.
Bring up your cubes.
Dude, come on! Let's go! Oh,
I saw that.
let's go.
You're so good. Not even sub Austin. Austin is a 5 average
I know.
and a 3.76.
8. You are fast.
Thank you. 12.
Yo. 8 seconds.
So consistent.
I blame it on the timer, look.
Nah, JK.
What? Whoa, oh my gosh.
Okay, probably 50, 59 average. So I'm extremely happy with my sub 55 single, and it's definitely a sub 1 average, which I'm really happy about. And now it is time for 3x3 round 2.
I'm ready. Just 2x3. Yeah, this is 2 What? Oh, sh. Ready. Oopsies.
Yeah. 8 seconds.
Oh, no. I'm just good. Oh my god.
I got a 0.001 difference in comp.
Yes, he did.
This guy got a 0.000 difference in comp.
I'm ready.
8 seconds.
Is that?
Let's go. PR for the so PR for the so.
Here by 1 sec. We're getting ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Dummy.
Hey, man. I'm
You're
the
in your
skew.
vlog with.
I'm the skew god. I am the skew god.
And in second place, with a result of 3.47 seconds, we have Sebastian Stone.
The people are mostly gone now. I'm really happy with my 4-blind podium. I'm glad I got into 3-blind finals. And, well, we didn't talk about my 2x2, but my 3x3 is pretty good. That 8.4 came out of nowhere. And my megaminx is pretty consistent. My pyraminx, good. Sub 4 single, really good. And yeah, this comp is really good for me. Today is a fun day with my panda.
249 on 6 by 6. I got a new key.
What is it?
It's the Gan Air.
Oh, hey. I don't even know you.
Nice.
What?
We just found an exotic cube that has CP parity.
I have no idea how this happened. This is not mine. I'm just gonna put it back.
CP parity is actually existing on 2x2.
Wait, no, I know how to solve it. I know how to solve it. Just do a Y perm, J perm, and then scramble the cube,
Yes.
and then like Yo, you put this back together.
I need to get on cam a 0 not sub 10. For context, that's very rare. Let's see. It's very rare.
This is not
It's
good.
definitely very rare. It's so rare. It's rare.
I know.
Oh, more.
It's rare, bro.
More.
89.
There's no.
Okay, man. Not that serious.
Bro, why did you say my
Might as well just be sitting here filming for hours. What?
What do you have on 3-blind?
Oh, no, you got it. You got it. Can I do a solo? You got it. You got it, Matt. You got it.
Oh, wait. Really? No, never. Oh, let's go.
Wait,
13. I got you. I got you. So, in case you can't see, it says, congrats to Even Millsap for getting 6.25 on 2x2x2.
I'm learning 9 style.
This guy just said there's 8 edges, guys.
8 corners, 8 corners. I'm gonna learn 13 style for edges and then 9 style for corners.
And in first place, the megaminx, with a result of 41.79 seconds, Nicholas Higgles.